What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Matic, currently sitting at 91 cents, up 1.6 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 7.29 billion. 24-hour volume all the way down to 480 million. Let's pop into the charts. So we can still easily be putting in our wave Z, and we've just come up and made an A, B, C before seeing continuation to the downside. Minimum target, let me just quickly adjust this. So originally what we were looking at is a wave 3 high. This is the wave 5, completing the wave 3. And potentially putting in a wave 4 pullback. Now we can invalidate that if we come up and break this high. Then what we're looking at is an extended wave 3. This is your wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and you'd be looking for a wave 3 if we can come up and break the previous high at about $1. Something we have to watch very, very closely for Matic is a potential large head and shoulders pattern. As I've been mentioning, this can definitely be a bear market rally. So just keep that in mind. We have a left shoulder, we've made a head, potentially starting to form a right shoulder. This is a big pattern here. So just keep a very close eye on that. If we do continue to roll over here, we could be looking at a large head and shoulders. But if we come up, we break this high, it invalidates it. We are still holding the support of this ascending channel. So if we do fall out of this channel, start to create that right shoulder, we could be looking at a larger correction for Matic. Now we can come all the way down to 65 cents. That's the maximum retracement for a wave 4. But if we do that, we will be putting in a large head and shoulders. So it's just something to keep in mind. But if we can come up and break this high, we can push all the way up to about $1.28. Now if we pop over to this chart here, which is on the daily time frame, as you can see, we are back above the EMAs on the daily. We've had the bullish cross, which can be a strong signal of reversal here. But in a bear market, you will see these bullish crosses, and they're just a bear market rally. We still see continuation to the downside. As I mentioned, if this is a bear market rally, the support I'm looking at, if we do create a lower low, is all the way down here at about 18 to 19 cents. In between about 18 to about 25 cents is this cluster of support. Potentially that would be your wave 5 target if we were to come down and break this low. But if the bottom is in, what we're waiting for is a confirmation of a 5-wave move to the upside. You can see potentially we've finished a 3-wave structure, but if we do bounce from here, then we are looking at a larger wave 3 as we've been covering on the channel, and we can still see a wave 4 pullback, put in the wave 5, and if we do that, that would be strong confirmation that the bottom could be in for our friend Matic. In the short term, we can easily be putting in an ABC of the X wave and still looking for an ABC to the downside to complete the wave Z and put in a larger wave 4 correction. Unless we come up and break this high and invalidate that corrective wave count, could potentially see a large push to the upside. But until we have that confirmation, we still have to look at this corrective pattern playing out for our friend Matic. That's it for this one. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, we've been making some juicy profits on Gala Games, Matic, as well as Ethereum. It's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. You also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can check out my full length tutorial on Bybit if you want to trade with me. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.